You want to know what really makes someone regret hurting you? It's not yelling. It's not revenge. It's not blocking them. It's when you become emotionally unreachable. When they can't read you, can't trigger you, can't find you in the place they left you. And the scary part? By the time they understand what they lost, you're already gone. Here are the 5 silent habits that make that happen. Habit 1, you become hard to access. After they hurt you, you don't argue. You don't ask for explanations. You don't try to fix anything. Your energy simply becomes unavailable. Short replies, longer gaps, no deep talks. You're polite, but distant. And this terrifies them because the version of you who cared loudly disappeared. Now they feel the door closing and they don't know how to stop it. Habit 2, your emotions stop being visible. They try to read your face. Nothing. They check your social media. No sadness. No indirect messages. No drama. Just normal life. Maybe even better than before. This is torture. Because if you're not visibly hurt, they lose proof that they mattered, and people hate feeling replaceable. Habit 3, you stop reacting. They expect something. Anger, jealousy, a reaction. Instead, silence. Their posts don't move you. Their new life doesn't shake you. Their attempts to get attention die in the air. And slowly they realize, I can't reach them anymore. That loss of control destroys the ego. Habit 4, you move forward without announcement. No speeches, no I'm done, no closure conversation. You just detach. New routines, new focus, new priorities. They only notice when they're no longer part of your day. And absence hits harder than words ever could, because now they feel the replacement happening in real time. Habit 5, your kindness turns neutral. You're not mean. You're not warm. You are neutral, like a cashier, like a stranger in an elevator. Respectful, but empty. And that's when regret fully arrives, because they remember how soft you used to be, and they understand. They will never experience that version of you again. When someone hurts you, they expect chaos. What they never expect is losing emotional access to you forever. No fight, no drama, just distance. And one day, they wake up realizing the person who loved them the most feels nothing now. That's when it's too late.